The bull season is here, all thanks to Donald Trump. Pi Network is on its way to $2, and I'm going to show you proof and why you should believe that Pi Network will touch $2 in a few days from now. What's up, guys? How you doing? I know it's been a while that I've not been around, so I'm back right now to give you good content frequently. So guys, let's talk about Pi Network and why I think $2 is certain in few days from now. There are so many influencers that have been saying negative things about Pi Network just because of the trying times that Pi Network has had in the past few weeks. Some people have been saying that this is the end of Pi Network. Now Pi Network is about to meet its end and all that. I was just looking at most of their contents and I just laugh because this project is not something you guys really understand and you don't know much about it. They've been behind the scene building this thing tirelessly for hundreds or even maybe thousands of hours, and then you expect them to just come on and then just crumble like that. It's not possible. Definitely there are some things that are cooking behind the scene that you are not aware of. So what you just need to do is to have an open mind and take part in the project. That is all that is required of you, not trying to talk down on the project or discourage people from participating or from buying the project. That is not the way to go, right? So I would urge you that you should just have an open mind. There is always a possibility. There's always a positive possibility and a negative possibility. So just keep an open mind and let's just try this out together. Now, when you come to crypto bubble, you're going to see the top 100 right now. So we've set it as the number 1 to 100 coin right now. By the way, there's this particular coin that caught my attention, OM. This coin went all the way down to 86%, over 90% actually, in the past 24 hours. That is very crazy. That's crazy. But then every other crypto is looking good due to the news about Trump, right? I'm going to be showing you right now. So now over here, you're going to see Pi Network. In the past week, Pi Network has gained a massive 37%, right? Pi Network has gained a massive 27%. It's not as big as Jasmine Fastcoin right now, but it is doing something. In the past week, you see that Pi Network is already regaining its momentum gradually. That's one thing you should know. Now, we wouldn't just conclude based on what we are seeing right now, based on the increase in price in the last week. So now let's go to CoinMarketCap to see for ourselves what the fundamentals is saying about Pi Network right now, and then I'm going to now tell you the reason why I think Pi Network is going to hit $2 in a few days from now. Now, looking at the tokenomics of Pi Network right now, the fundamentals, you're going to see that the market cap of Pi Network right now is sitting at $5.13 billion with the trading volume of over 300 million in the past 24 hours, and the FDV is also sitting at $74.7 billion, right? And then the circulating supply is pegged around, let's just say, approximately 7 billion token supply, right? That means there's still room for more growth. We all know that in the past few months, Pi Network hits as low as 43 cents, right? But right now, the good news is that Pi Network has been able to regain a momentum to as much as 74 cents, almost getting to 75 cents. If you approximate this right now, this is 75 cents right now, right? And now when you come to the market and check for the exchanges that are still supporting Pi Network, you're going to see that OKX, BitGet, MEXC, Gate.io, LBank, XT are still supporting this project. They are still holding on to Pi, because for them to hold on to Pi, definitely something is expected from Pi by these exchanges. Why do I think that Pi Network is going to hit $2? The first reason I think Pi Network is going to hit $2 is because Trump made an announcement exempting smartphones, computer, and chips from new tariffs. Now, how would this affect cryptocurrency in general? Now, cryptocurrency is built on the basis of smartphone, computers, and chips, right? And now that Trump is exempting them from new tariffs, that means something very positive for the crypto market, right? And now, one of the reasons why Pi was down in the last month is because we've been experiencing some downtrends. We've been experiencing some bearish moments with cryptocurrency in general. So obviously, Pi Network lost some price, right? Pi Network lost some price just because the entire crypto market was down. But right now, we are beginning to see greens. Right now, we are beginning to see the greens. We are beginning to see cryptocurrency is regaining its momentum gradually, which means that the bull season is not over yet. And then this is about to get really wild, and Pi Network will not be exempted. But is that the only reason why you should take my word for it? Of course not. I'm going to show you more proof why Pi Network is going to hit $2 in a couple of days from now. Now, I'm going to share Haley's opinion with you on Binance Square, right? Pi network on fire. Will Pi hit $1 soon? Right? Now, the Pi network is making headline again after crashing more than 80% in the past month, dropping from $2.98 all the way down to $0.40. Something exciting just happened. In the past 48 hours, the Pi coin price jumped over 50%, showing sign of a strong comeback. You see, so that's basically one of the best news you've heard about Pi in the past month, right? Now, crypto fans and investors are buzzing with excitement, wondering, can Pi coin reach $1 again? Now, the bullish signs are everywhere. Obviously, it's already in the charts. You can see it in the charts right now. The chart is looking so good. The Pi chart is looking so good right now. So after weeks of moving down, Pi coin has finally broken its negative trend. It's now trading at 60 cents. This article was published like almost 2 days ago now. But as we speak right now, Pi network is already touching 80 cents. It's just a matter of hours from now, right? And gaining momentum fast with a daily trading volume of $157 million, a big sign that people are getting interested again, right? Now, all those exchanges that have been ignoring Pi network will be forced, emphasis on forced, to turn to Pi network and give a second look at the project. That is for sure. Now, the big question that we've all been waiting for, can Pi reach $1 again? Why me, I'm betting $2. This writer here is betting $1. Now, if this bullish energy continues, Pi could hit its next resistance at this, which it has actually hit and it has exceeded, right? It's currently over 70 something right now. And if the rally stays strong, we could be looking at a run towards the $1 mark in just a matter of days. Most of the people that are holding Pi right now are the diamond hands. So by the time the coins start going up now, so many people will be interested again and they will start investing their money into the project just to get some profits. So that is what is going to push Pi price to around $2. Just watch it, mark my words, and you're going to see for yourself that this is going to happen with Pi network. So that's basically what I think. So you should always be very open-minded when it comes to cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency, nobody knows what will happen. A project as good as this, because to me, the idea behind Pi network has always been good right from the very beginning that I got to learn about the project. So this project has a lot of potential to give you that money that you desire, right? So you shouldn't just let go of something like this, something as good as this. So we should have an open mind and expect something very massive from Pi in the coming days, right? So me, I'm locked in right now. Apart from the Pi coins that I've mined, I also got some Pi coin during the red days, and I'm expecting massive gains in the coming days, right? So guys, that's basically the update that I brought to you guys about Pi network. That will be the end of today's video, guys. I'm going to be seeing you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.